Hello guys and welcome back to our interview type question for practice series, and today we are going to do 28th question. Oh god. So many questions we have been practicing, right? So I'm sure this has helped in judging yourself कि आपको कितना आता है, like how much is your concepts are clear. So anyways, let's continue with this. So today what I'm gonna present the question is very basic, very straightforward. As I told you before also कुछ questions काफी straightforward भी पूछे जाते हैं, ठीक है? So आज का सवाल है, why is cell death via apoptosis is more advantageous to multicellular organism than cell death via necrosis? बहुत सिंपल सा आंसर है. इफ यू नो द प्रोसीजर, लाइक द प्रोसेस हाउ एपोप्टोसिस एंड नेक्रोसिस हैपेंस, इट इज वेरी इजी टू एक्सप्लेन. सो हमें पता है apoptosis is actually your programmed cell death, right? So it is like regulated and it is totally programmed, यानी कि एक सीरीज इवेंट्स की तरह होता है, ठीक है, जहाँ पे कुछ प्रोटीन्स आपके एक्टिवेट होते हैं, देन स्लोली इट इज गोइंग टू एक्टिवेट ऑल द डाउनस्ट्रीम प्रोटीन्स आल्सो, राइट? सो इन दिस व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट जो भी आपका एट द एंड बाई प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं, like it is also called the apoptotic bodies, ठीक है. apoptotic bodies जो बनते हैं at the end what happens via the process of phagocytosis, these are engulfed by the macrophages and removed from the system, ठीक है. And whatever the components are present, they are broken down into simpler components like amino acids हो गए, nucleic acids हो गए, या lipids के tags हो गए, ठीक है. टैग्स क्या है? ट्राइएसाइल ग्लिसरॉल है, and then carbohydrate के sugar हो गए. So whatever is present, if it is broken down into simpler components, then these can be recycled, right? So as such कुछ भी loss नहीं हुआ है. But when we talk about the necrosis, so necrosis क्या है? It is actually wound or injury to the cell, ठीक है. This can be because of the viral attack also. Now what happens in this case is that all the components, all the cellular components are released into the extracellular matrix, ठीक है, आपके extracellular matrix में release हो जाता है. So sometimes they might contain toxins because there's an injury, so that injury can be because of the toxins or because of the viral. So we don't want that these toxins and the viral to be released into the extracellular matrix, because once it is released, it is going to cause inflammation also, एंड इट बिकम्स हार्मफुल फॉर द नियर बाई सेल्स. जो आपके आसपास जो सेल्स रहेंगे उनके लिए भी हार्मफुल हो जाते हैं. देयर आर चांसेस दैट दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन, द सेल्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन, दे आर आल्सो गोइंग टू गेट अफेक्टेड. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू हैव अ apoptosis process as compared to the necrosis. बहुत ही सिंपल था, right? So just try yourself also giving the same answer. So even though if you know the answer, it's not necessary that you might be able to explain beautifully in front of the panel people, right? कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम हमारा नाम बोलने में भी हिचकिचा जाते हैं. So that's why you need more and more practice. So let it be a twisted question or a straightforward direct question, but you need to practice. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this question series, and if any other question is there which you think are not able to get the answer or not satisfied by your own answer, so share it with me. So I've got plenty of questions from different students, so I'm just preparing those questions also and will be shared with you guys as soon as possible. So till then, take care guys, keep watching.